Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a PayPal international transfer failed issue. This usually happens because of restrictions on your account, incorrect recipient details, or problems with the funding source. First, make sure the recipient's email is correct and that their PayPal account can receive international payments. Next, check your linked bank or card to confirm it allows international transactions, since some banks block cross-border transfers by default. Also, ensure that your PayPal account is verified with an active bank and card linked, because unverified accounts often face transfer failures. If the transfer involves a different currency, go to your PayPal wallet and add or manage currencies to match the recipient's currency, or let PayPal handle the conversion. Sometimes security filters may block the payment if it looks unusual, so check your resolution center or email for alerts. If the issue continues, try sending from a different funding source or contact your bank to lift any international restrictions. And if nothing works, reach out to PayPal customer support for further review. And that's it. That's how you fix a PayPal international transfer failed issue. Subscribe the channel for more videos.